What's going on, guys? Welcome back. So wanted to give some honest feedback on the M12 products. Specifically, I picked up a 2-pack, the impact and the drill. Also, I picked up the kit, which is the brad nailer and the pin nailer. And so I've been using all of them now for, I would say, several weeks. I did have that issue with the brad nailer, and I don't know if that was for me or not, but what I ended up doing, I ended up taking it back to Home Depot and swapping it out for a new one. And I used that new one today to install a good amount of baseboard. And I'm here to tell you, I had 0 jams. 0. So that was good. That was a good feeling, because I was getting worried that maybe they were all going to jam that much. And so, I did a small living room today and it didn't jam up at all. So very, very pleased with that. I have used the pin nailer now. For sure once, maybe twice, I forget. At least one time, putting in a piece of trim that needed to be repaired, and it worked really well. Like, super powerful, nice and recessed hole, tiny little hole. And so those two have been amazing. And then with the drill kit that I got, I'm still blown away. I'm like, I cannot believe I found that kit for that cheap. It was 2 batteries, those 2 drills, and a charger for $85 on clearance. That was God looking over me that day, boys and girls, because that never happens. And so right now I kind of got my eyes on another battery for that with the charger. They have one right now at Home Depot for like $120. So I'm going to keep my eye on that. But I just wanted to quickly let you guys know that all those Milwaukee products are working extremely good, and I'm very pleased. And by the way, the brad nailer kit, or the nailer combo kit, was $398. When I went in to do the return, they were telling me right now it's up to like $500. So I got a good deal for those 2 nailers. So anyway, that thumbnail, those tools, I just want to let you guys know they're working really well. I am going to have them linked in the description as well. If you click on those, it does help the channel, helps me earn very small commissions through Amazon. And so if you guys got questions on those, by the way, put that in the comment section below. And if you like today's video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.